Everybody loves bacon, but especially on a meatloaf. Hey guys, Clint here at Butcher Boy down in Reno. We're going through kind of a change now after the holidays, winter time. We switched back to having some good comfort foods ready to go in the case for you. One of the favorites we do, I think last winter was the first year, but bacon wrapped meatloaf. We've always got our classic meatloaf. We've made this a little bit different recipe. So starts out beef and ground pork. We use our fresh ground round, and we actually use our country sausage for this. It's already got some seasoning in there. And then those guys, we're going to add some seasonings. Salt, a garlic herb mixture that we keep in bulk. So that guy right there. Paprika, dehydrated onions. We use these because they come out not with like that raw onion flavor in the meatloaf. They get a little bit softer and they aren't quite as pungent, but just good flavor, mixes in the meat really well. And then we bind it with some whole eggs that we whip up, and then panko, right? So saving you the pain of watching me mix it. So I got some already done. Get a little room here. So from there we get this mixture, and we're basically just going to form our nice little meatloaf. We do these, they're right about 2 pounds or so. One of the tricks, meatloaf, burger patty, sausage patties, anything like that, you don't want to work the meat too much. As you do that, it's going to start getting tougher, right? So when you want a nice tender meatloaf, after it's mixed, you don't want to beat it up too much when you're forming, but you want to get those cracks out. So for me, it means we flatten it out. That's going to kind of get those cracks out so we don't have air pockets in the middle. And then we're just going to kind of press the outside together. We do these in nice little ovals like so. Nice little 2 pound loaf. It's great, like great serving for a couple people and have leftovers for a sandwich of this size. And then the bacon wrap part. So everybody loves bacon, but especially on a meatloaf, the bacon, as you cook this guy, takes just about an hour at 350. And as you cook this guy, that bacon is going to melt, it's going to render down, it's going to add some flavor and a lot of moisture into, and then that bacon is going to get nice and crispy, while it's roasting. Another thing, bacon wrap, we're only doing 3 slices on here. The reason why, if you cover this whole thing in bacon, you're going to get a lot of crispy bacon, but the inside is just going to kind of steam, and you want all that Maillard browning around the whole guy. So that's it. Super simple, but like we like to do, taking the work out of it for you. These are always in the case through the winter, which means you come in, grab one, about an hour, 350 degrees, dinner's done. Amazing sandwiches the next day. I always cook 2, that way I got 1 for dinner and lots of leftovers. So cool thing for wintertime, always in the case. Look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.